Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's run the Python script to get the MP3 sent. See, this is the MP3 file. Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send an MP3 file to a Telegram user from your application. But first, you will need to learn how to send a simple text message by going through this Getting Started guide. In the guide, you scroll down and you will find this tutorial video. Watch it. When you're done, come back here. Welcome back. Now that you know how to send a simple text message, let's get back to the real deal. Now, click on Python 3 to go to the tutorial page. Over here, you will find a link to download the sample code. When the download is complete, expand the file. Then, navigate to this directory. Open up this file. There are a few things we need to customize here, including the instance ID, the client ID, and client secret. Of course, most importantly, we have to put down our recipient number here. In this example, we are going to send this MP3 file to the recipient. Let's do the customization now. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's run the Python script to get the MP3 sent. See, this is the MP3 file. What are you waiting for? Sign up, have fun, and see it for yourself. I'll see you in the next video.